Found a fake or a closed place in Google Maps and want to remove it? Watch until the end and I will show you how to delete unnecessary places from the map and share a tip on improving data accuracy. So let's get started. First guys, open Google Maps on your device and afterwards select the place. You can just zoom into the fake or closed location you want to remove or use the search tab. So when you have opened the location, open this tab fully and scroll all the way down until you see this tab just right here at the bottom of your screen. Click on the edit button right here and tap place is closed or not here. So from the list of the options, select the reason for the removal. And also you can attach a photo if necessary, you can include a photo as evidence. So pretty much submit the removal request and Google will then review your information for verification. Now you know how to remove false or outdated locations on Google Maps. Your suggestion will be reviewed and if approved, the place will be removed. So if this video was helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. That will motivate me to create even more useful videos. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye.